Hey, welcome from the first day of Gaelic Song and Language Week at Grandfather Mountain. I am in Keener Hall or something like that. I don't think we've stayed in this one before. But oh my gosh, I super love it. And I'll tell you why. And it's not because of the air conditioning. I actually think it's a bit too cold. It's because of the echo in this like front room here is like so good. So like yeah, I was practicing in here last night and I thought, ooh, I got to see if I can capture the sound of this echo because, yeah, it just, you don't have to work very hard to get your voice like super well heard. Or that's not really how I want to say it, but whatever, it's an echo, it's cool. So I thought I'd sing Ailein, Sad and Cadal, which I sang like a few weeks ago and I messed up because, as you do. But I need to practice this because I'm doing this song for the North Carolina mod at Grandfather Mountain Highland Games this Saturday. So hopefully you'll come along. And if not, what are you doing? Why aren't you going to be there? Whoops. Anyways, so moving along. Ailein, Sad and Cadal. Ailein, Sad and Cadal, an shaka karam sa glaser, Rien ageriet an lachken, Sad of heel look nam brachen, Who goronan, who goro is nahiri hiu goronan. Ailein daingas kain spaghetti, chanat the laun kain nik de mord, be alla pavar of invasion. Burgian amainjet heini, who goronan, who gorois nahi hiu goronan. Sadon charich mi dolabi, Schaban heeft lik loim en chwadi. Het klaar heeft al een fatje, daarom aan een oor forsing. Hoe goronan, hoe gorois hiu goronan. Gnach kaspata shachan rua, Chrami heim of rachen rua, Hurstich mi a vinen kujok, Kenach ban et gilem vuyo, Who goronan, who gorois hiu goronan. Edgelog an norich vuye, Jirig bain sa yarnak bruog, Gagad kapan jeden spruer, Selavan man spoken dua, who goronan, who gorois hiu goronan. Let's see.